Hi to everyone. This video contains the Binomo Binary Options Broker Review, an unusual use of the martingale strategy, earning $1,100 of profit per 15 minutes, and a contest for $100. Watch from beginning to end so as not to miss anything. Hi there. Today I would like to introduce the Binomo Binary Options Broker. Not all of my viewers have the opportunity to work with the IQ Option Binary Broker, and others often ask me which broker is working in their country. Binomo Broker works in all countries except for the US, Canada and Japan. This is because a monopoly on this type of activity exists in these countries. The advantages of this broker are as follows. Commission upon deposit and withdrawal of funds is 0%. Minimum deposit is $10. Withdrawal of funds within 24 hours, as well as tournaments and bonuses. Now let's consider the martingale strategy, but in a different application. Usually we make a bet, lose, make a higher bet, but what if we apply the martingale strategy in one trading session? To do this, we will select the approximate time of the end of the session after 15 minutes. We are waiting for the expected peak and make our first bet of $100 down. Since we have a lot of time, we will wait patiently to see what direction the market will move. We see that the market is moving down, so we bet $100 up. Now we see a trend and can use the martingale strategy. So, we wait for the lowest point and bet 3 times more, that is $300. If the graph falls even lower, then we bet 3 times more, i.e. $900. And now the graph is aligned and we become intact. Now there only remains to wait for the end of the session and find out how much income we obtained. You can also do so in the contrary direction. So, our bets have triggered and we got a $1,031 profit.